Hello everyone, today we are making soft and fluffy pancakes with just simple ingredients. So sit back and enjoy this recipe. So today we are making soft pancakes, and here we have our dry mixture with flour and more which are going to be added here. So here we are going to have our eggs. We are using just 3 eggs. So this is our rice mixture, and here is our wet mixture. So we are starting with our dry mixture. In this we are adding with flour. So in our wheat flour we are going to add sugar in our dry mixture, just 2 tablespoons. These are 2 cups of wheat flour. Then we add in half tablespoon of salt. Let us give it a little mix. Then we add in our baking powder. This helps in fluffiness and rising of our. Next we add in our carbonate of soda. This is good. I know we have used baking powder, but this makes it so perfect and unique. It gives us that unique pancakes. So we are done mixing our dry mixture. The next step, let us mix our wet mixture. So in our eggs we are adding in our cooking oil. We add in vinegar. This is for making it soft and fluffiness. Then we add in our vanilla essence. This is good for good smell, which everyone looks for in cakes. So we are going to find it in our pancakes. That beautiful aroma. So let us whisk. Next we are adding in our milk. So guys, the next step, we are going to mix in our wet mixture. Let us make a hole in the middle. Then we pour in. So you have to make sure I mix very well. So where are you watching me from? Which city or country are you watching me from? I'm really interested in knowing. So look at that texture. Look at it. The texture is just amazing. So remove some of the oil. color of our pancake. To make sure that oil spreads everywhere, and after spreading, make sure you remove it. Leave just a little. Texture is just the best. So guys, look at them. They are so soft inside, as you can see, and fluffy. They're just incredible. Take a look inside. It's just like cake, and the aroma is just incredible. So everyone, thank you so much for watching. Kindly like the video, share and subscribe to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Consider subscribing to my channel. Bye bye. See you in the next one on Wednesday, 5:45 East African time.